Welcome back. Now there are other ways to find readers other than those that will traditionally go to the Amazon.com website and purchase an ebook. There are those who subscribe to Amazon Kindle and get a certain number of ebooks that they have available to them on a monthly basis. And you'll see those books designated on the Amazon.com website with this Kindle Unlimited logo on the top of their covers. There are also individuals that will borrow from the Kindle Owners Lending Library, and your book can be part of this program also. Now to do so, your book or books will need to be part of the KDP Select Program. Now the KDP Select Program is another way that you can use to reach more readers depending on who they are, as we've seen. Also, as we've seen in an earlier video, that you get access to the free book promotion and Kindle Countdown promotions exclusively as part of KDP. It also allows you to be part of the Kindle Unlimited program and lending library, and you are paid in these programs based on the number of readers and pages they read rather than buyers exclusively. And of course, there's no cost to enroll in the KDP Select program. Now, you're basically agreeing to exclusivity. That means that you agree not to list your ebooks in other marketplaces. And what Amazon says is that you may provide professional reviewers a copy of your book via email for the purpose of editing, proofreading, and helping with other quality improvements. Now, there's some important statements that Amazon makes specifically, and they're important enough to look at specific quotations. Amazon says all content enrolled in the KDP Select program must remain for sale through the Kindle store only. If the digital version of your book appears to be available for pre-order, for sale, or for free elsewhere, it's not eligible for KDP Select. And finally, it's not enough just to add new content or bonus content to a book if it's going to be available elsewhere. This rule is what you see is what you get. If your book is available elsewhere, it's not going to be part of KDP. So you will need to make a decision as to whether or not your income will be greater using the KDP Select program or whether it will be worth your time not to list it and to market elsewhere. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.